Today I have a patient that has an NG2 place. He's not allowed to have anything orally, so there are medications that I do need to give to him that's going to be going through his NG2. So I do have an order from Dr. Who for now and today's date for the patient by Mark Adams. His date of birth is 11/16/62. On here there are no known allergies. So I'm going to go into the MAR, sanitize my hands, go into the MAR and see the medications that I'm supposed to pull. So I grabbed the medications, document that I pulled them. So because there are some medications that you cannot crush, we do need to double check that these are able to be crushed. So I would just go ahead and call pharmacy, ask for a pharmacist, and just make sure that these both are able to be crushed. Once they are able to be crushed, I do know I have the okay to give that medication. So I'm going to go into the patient's room. Hi Mark, how are you doing today? Sanitize my hands. I'm going to pull the curtain. Hi, my name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, good. So I do have some medications to give you. I do know you can't swallow anything right now, so we are going to use that NG tube, okay? Is that okay with you? Okay, good. I'm going to log into the computer, scan the patient's wristband, scan the medications. Boop, boop, boop. One more time, can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, good. And then any allergies? No? Okay. So I am going to set the head of the bed up for the patient so that he is sitting upright so that nothing bad happens. So I'm going to put on my gloves. I've crushed the medications separately. You cannot put them together, so you put them in their own medicine cups crushed. Then you're going to add sterile water to them to make it a liquid, mix it around, and then you'll pull it up. So I have two different medications to give you. So this was in the patient's nose. Have it like this. The first thing that I would do is admit 30 mLs before giving the medication. So I put 30 in, I'd give it a minute, and then I've drawn back this medication, I'd push it through. And then because I do have another medication, I would put 5 mLs to 10 mLs through just to make sure that first medication went all the way through. Then I would pull this medication, push it, and then after I'm done giving the medications, I would flush another 30 to 60, whatever you think is needed to push it all the way through. So I'm going to start off with 30. Push 30. Probably going to do 15 more. Okay, so I gave 15 more. I am going to discard the stuff, the sharps container, take off my gloves, sanitize my hands. I'm going to document that I gave the medication to him. Any questions for me, Mark? Unfortunately, you can't lay down. I have to keep your head of bed up for an hour, but after that, of course, you can go back to laying down, okay? All right, here's your call light and your water. I'll turn off the light for you and check on you in a little bit, okay? And that is it.